Hey, to do them in 10 and doing another opening here. 2 tins, Equinox, and 8 regular packs of Dual Revolution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna start with the single packs first. The first pack, let's see what we got. Hollow. Amazon Heirloom and Playful Blossom. They're pretty good. Okay. Hollow still. Next pack. Rare. Horn of the Phantom Beast. That's pretty okay too. Rare. Dark Aspire. Playful Blossom again. Oh, I have 4 packs already. Oh, really? I'm not having so good in any packs there. White Card of Death. Ha. Amazon Village. Wow. Super Representative. Let's see. Cool. And a Scrap Beast. That's pretty good. That's really good, I think. That card to make Dark Soul good because you said that card Dark Soul and story 1 for 1. Got Silver Steel, 5 pack. Wow, not in a 1 Ultra or Secret. I mean, I think that they are dud. Oh. Oh, Watt Chimera, Ultra, and a Scrap Golem. Pretty okay, yes. Let's see, yeah, 3 out of 8. I guess that's okay. Nothing serious though. Let's start with Equinox tins. I'll play Yu-Gi-Oh! I know! Ah! Yeah, the children's card game, not during Yu-Gi-Oh! Okay. The Equinox, and I wouldn't know the promo card, but Equinox, Archie and Guilford, with the Nedroot, 4 Dark Arm, and Dragonite Knight, or yeah. We'll start with the Charizard die first. Alright, Hollow, Valkyrie Drago, and Dark Rabbit. Dark Rabbit, yay. Blue Power Horse. Gale Gundren. Super Rare Oracle of the Sun. Berfonet. That's the packs. Super Rare Core Overclock. And Parent of Wonders. it. Right, 3 out of 5. Excuse me, I'm pretty good. I bet has a new 10, so you never know what you're gonna expect. 3 out of Giant Equinox. Okay, that's a little weird. One sec. Equinox. Oh, yeah, Equinox. Offering Effort. Wicked Dividend. Darkon. For Darkon. That's not weird. How did they put the order? They each started but they mixed up the 2 packs. I'll do it that way. We did look. Looking like Dark Key. Good Power Force. Sun Dragon Nuclear. Oh wow. A little bit Oracle Sun. And right here Descendant. Pretty good. Oh, Terry Middle. Core Blast. Not bad. Done guy, well this whole Buster box or 10 sucks. Let's see. The first 10 was awesome. 10 was like but the 8 packs are pretty okay too. Got Walking Mirror, Digihard there. That's basically it. See you later, YouTube.